In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark expenses billable in QuickBooks Online. If you pass costs through to clients, things like materials, subcontractor fees, or travel, marking expenses as billable ensures nothing gets missed when you create an invoice. First, we need to turn on the right settings. Head to the top right corner of QuickBooks Online and click the gear icon to open Settings, then choose Account and Settings. On the left side, select the Expenses tab. In the Bills and Expenses area, turn on Track Expenses and Items by Customer. This tells QuickBooks you want to link costs to specific customers or projects so they'll be available to invoice later. Right below that, turn on Make Expenses and Items Billable. This is what unlocks the Billable checkbox on your expense forms. When you've enabled both, click Save and then Done to exit the settings window. Now that the feature is on, open a transaction where you record spending. This could be an expense, a bill, or a check. You can create a new one or open an existing transaction to edit it. On the detail lines, you'll see a billable checkbox. Check that box to mark the cost as billable. You'll also see a customer or project field on the line. Choose the correct customer so QuickBooks knows who to charge. Add a clear description if you want the client to see exactly what the charge is for. You don't have to change your workflow otherwise. Just record the expense like you normally would and save it. When it's time to create an invoice for that customer, QuickBooks will prompt you with any available billable expenses tied to them. You can review those charges and add them to the invoice with a click, keeping your billing complete and accurate. A few quick tips as you go. If you don't see the toggles and settings, you may need admin access or a plan that supports billable expenses. If you turned on the feature after entering transactions, you can still open those expenses and mark the lines as billable retroactively. By default, billable costs flow through at cost. If you typically add a markup or want to track billable income in a specific account, you can explore the additional options in that same expenses section later. And if the billable checkbox isn't visible on a form, make sure you're on the line detail and that the customer field is filled in. That's it. You've enabled billable expenses and you know exactly where to mark them on your transactions. Thanks for watching, and happy invoicing!